They say water is life. Water is a precious resource that we sometimes take for granted here in the Northeast. Hi, my name is Jim Jutras. I'm the Water Quality Superintendent for the Village of Essex Junction Wastewater Facility, and I'm here today to talk to you about the vital role that wastewater treatment has in protecting water quality here in the Champlain Valley. What we do here is take waste from the homes that's generated from the towns of Williston, Essex, and Essex Junction, and we're a clean water factory. We take that water and through various treatment processes, including physical, settling, and biological processes, we create clean water for recycling back into the environment. Recently, the village trustees voted to proceed with the upgrade of our wastewater facility. The facility is presently over 26 years old and is in need of some major maintenance in order to keep protecting those water resources here in the Champlain Valley. The original facility was built in 1960 and upgraded to a state-of-the-art facility in 1985. We currently suffer from having outdated equipment and a lack of backup in certain areas that is required by current operating permits. We've had a couple of close calls on some effluent violations, and as the facility continues to age, we'll continue to have issues with performance of the system. And despite investment that we've had over the past 10 years, we still have some ongoing maintenance needs that need to be addressed. Each year that we postpone some of these improvements, the costs are going to increase, and inevitably we'll have to upgrade the plant. We've gone through process evaluation using a local engineering firm that evaluated the existing infrastructure and equipment that we have, and went through a decision process to make sure that we're taking advantage of the existing facility as much as possible, recycling and repurposing buildings, and constructing only what is necessary and provides value added to the process. The current rates we charge here at the wastewater facility are charged out equally to all three towns, and each town adds their own debt service and other operating costs that they have to cover as part of the rate structure. But those rates don't cover the true value of water. The rehabilitation work that we're planning right now is designed to help lessen the impact in the future. It's a significant investment now, but if we don't proceed, the costs are going to increase. The earlier facilities were constructed using state and federal grants, and those grant funds are not available anymore. Any upgrades and operations that we do at the current time, we have to pay for. And by we, it's the users that pay for the improvements. Even with the proposed upgrades and maintenance work that we're doing here, we're still very favorable and from a rate compared to peer wastewater facilities in the area and in the region. The facility improvements have been reviewed and are supported by the town of Williston, town of Essex, and the village of Essex Junction, and all participating communities continue to provide input into the design and decision-making process to ensure value in the improvements that we're making here at the wastewater plant. The facility will also continue its review to make sure we design to be a good neighbor here at our location on Cascade Street. The design work will precede the bond vote in May of 2011 and continue with a bid in 2012 with the work anticipated for completion in the year 2014. Protecting clean water is one of the most significant investments a community can make. Clean water investment was a priority 2 generations ago, made by your parents and your grandparents in building the first wastewater facility in 1965 and the upgraded facility in 1985. Wastewater treatment continues to be a solid investment in public health, and it's time to invest again in order to make sure we can keep the Winooski River and Lake Champlain clean for future generations. You can contact us by calling 878-6943 or by visiting www.essexjunction.org. Thank you for your time and interest.